This is the worked examples video for specific heat capacity. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, use energy equals mc times the temperature change. Second, rearrange it to find C, or the temperature rise. And third, keep the units consistent. Here's the equation. The energy Q equals mass times specific heat capacity times the change in temperature. Q is the energy in joules, M is the mass in kilograms, and C is the specific heat capacity in joules per kilogram per degree. The temperature change is simply the final temperature minus the starting temperature. Let's work one through. We heat 2 kilograms of water by 10 degrees, and water's specific heat capacity is 4,200. Write the equation. Energy equals mass times C times the temperature change. Substitute 2 times 4,000, 200 times 10. That's 84,000 joules. A lot of energy because water is hard to heat up. Now a rearrangement. 25,000 joules heats 5 kilograms of a metal by 10 degrees. Find its specific heat capacity. Rearrange. C equals Q divided by mass times the temperature change. Substitute 25,000 divided by 5 times 10, which is 50. That gives 500 joules per kilogram per degree. Much lower than water, so this metal heats up easily. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. Find the energy to heat 3 kilos of water by 20 C. C Tauter and 4200. Question 2. 2000 J heats 1 kilos of oil by 1 C. Find C. Question 3. How much energy heats 0.5 kilos of metal? C algebra 400 by 30 C. Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1, 252 Zosno J, Q, MCX, DT, 3x 4200 x 20. Number 2, 2000 JKG C, C, CQ, MX DT, so 2000 C, 1x1. Number 3, 6000 J, Q, 0.5 x 400 x 30. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.